Hello everybody and welcome back again to my channel, Ivan Cooking Adventures. Today we're gonna go Asian and we're gonna prepare for you a nice shrimp fried rice. We're gonna use the freshest ingredients to do this recipe. Actually, fried rice is a nice comfort food for the Asian people and one of my favorites too. In this case, for do this recipe, we're gonna use wild caught shrimp, we're gonna use red chili peppers, garlic, ginger, fresh sweet peas, fresh carrot, fresh green onions. We're gonna fry the shrimp using sesame seed oil. We're gonna add a little bit of soy sauce. We're gonna use a little bit of honey for sweetness and a little bit of lemon at the end for tasting. We're also gonna add a little bit of salt and pepper for more flavor, and we're gonna use actually jasmine rice for our fried rice. To season the shrimp, actually you transfer it into a bowl. Add the ginger, garlic, and red chili peppers. Add a little bit of soy sauce. And the honey. Mix it well so all that season get into the shrimp. If you want, you can add a little bit of pepper and salt for more taste. To do this recipe, I recommend that you use a Chinese wok or an Asian wok, which actually I got this wok already cured. To cure a Chinese wok, you need to actually cook a lot and do not actually clean this wok with any detergent, only with hot water, and you cover it with any oil you want so you can preserve the flavors inside this wok. Some Chinese wok even has wok that has not been seen any detergent for 20 years, so the flavors start building up inside the wok. Just place the wok at a high temperature on top of the burner. Okay, start by adding the sesame seed oil on a hot pan and then the shrimp. Let it cook until they become tender, and then take it off the pan. Now that they are cooked, you just finish it and transfer it to a plate, because we're gonna cook the vegetable on that same pan. To cook the vegetables, just add a little bit of sesame seed again to the pan, to the hot pan. Add the fresh sweet peas and the carrots, and let it cook for about 5 minutes or until they become tender. For any stir fry, you need eggs. So grab 2 eggs and fry next to the vegetables. Now they are a little bit done, just mix it well with the vegetables. And add the jasmine rice. And keep mixing. Once you have it all mixed, now you add the shrimp and all that goodness there. The secret of any stir fry is having all the ingredients already cooked beforehand. Now you're gonna kind of stir fry the rice with the shrimp, oil, vegetables, all together. Look at the nice color there. The smell is unbelievable. Woo. You will enjoy this recipe, believe me. It's gonna be so good. Lower the heat and let it deep fry a little bit. Once it's almost done, just add the green onions. You can add it at the end when it's done, or you can add it before, so you can have a little bit of nice flavor together there when they're cooked. There. Just let's serve this nice shrimp fried rice. Just get a nice bowl or a nice plate, whatever you prefer, and just add all of this goodness on that plate. It's just gonna be so amazing, and it's gonna be so delicious. Forget it. This is a very nice Asian comfort food. You can spread a little bit of line on top for more taste. And let's see how this tastes. Ooh. Very nice. Shrimps are tender. Sweet peas are crunchy. And the carrot, soft and tender at the same time. If you like this recipe and you want to see more, just subscribe to our channel and enjoy it.